Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing y'all how I clean out my fridge. So of course we're going to be using my favorite Mrs. Meyer's in the lemon scent. The first thing I want to do since I'm deep cleaning today is take everything out of the fridge so that we can wipe it all down. So this French truck iced coffee mix, I got it from Whole Foods. Y'all, it is so good. All I do is put ice in a cup with a little bit of milk and mix it up. And there's the plant-based Jimmy Dean breakfast sandwiches that I brought back to Sam's Club for the original. So let's talk about this Tabasco mayonnaise. When I tell you it is so good on a sandwich, oh yes, I love it. So now I just wanted to quickly show y'all how I clean the shelves before I put them back in the fridge. Let's talk about this mess at the bottom. Okay, I have no idea what this is, but it was pretty easy to clean and it didn't smell bad at all. Now I'm just using my Bubble Up scrub brush to clean all the cracks and crevices. I'll leave a link for it in the description box if you want to go and cop you one. That everything is scrubbed and beautiful, I'm gonna go ahead and take a wet rag and wipe out the whole fridge. Now moving on to the freezer. It's a couple of days later, probably about 3 days. Just go ahead and take everything out and repeat the same process. Guess I'll get to those recipes one day. As you can see, the box braids are gone, but they'll be back real soon. If you have never had this chicken, run to Walmart, gluten-free section right now. this is the finished result. Thanks for watching.